Alright, we gotta make up some time. They pulling off now. Ready? Started. Okay. So, fuck. I need you to push me, and I'm gonna kick it in gear. Hold on. Fuck. I thought I forgot how you do it. Hold on. Come on. Faster. Stay in this lane, you're gonna get up to speed, maybe about 50 miles per hour, and then merge onto it. Okay. And then just figure it out from there. Okay. You might have to circle back because I don't want it to die out again. Yeah. Plus, it don't feel like you got much brakes. Like, we'll figure it out. Yeah. Oh, gang, another day, another fucking dollar. My brother fucking bike is tripping out per fucking usual. So now we gotta improvise and figure out what the fuck we're gonna do. We might have to go back home though, cause that battery might be just shot. It's affecting all his power and his brakes seem weak. Alright, I'm ready where you are, yeah. He about to kick so many fucking rocks. Shout out to that lady. I just had to bump start the bike, bro. But it didn't, for one, his front tire feels flat. For two, those power commands, it just seems, the check engine light on, all kind of shit going on right now. All kind of shit. So, I don't know if we're going to get to this ride, man. Sadly, I don't think so. So that motherfucker felt flat when I got on. I'm like, whoa. Whoa. I was wondering why he kept being behind. I'm like, bro, what is wrong with him? But the fucking Cardo game, it doesn't want to work. Like, Cardo makes me mad with that damn app, bro. If anybody know how to simplify how to use a damn comm system, please educate me in the comments. I don't know if he's still good or not. Hell no, he ain't. I see that it came back on. It came back on. I know. Hey man, we down for the count right now. When we was en route, his bike just started freaking out. His bike's had a problem since I first started, bro. We was trying to get it started. It wouldn't start. Then I eventually just grabbed some jumper cables and started with a car. Then we good, but as we was on the highway, all the lights are flashing. And I had to bump start it to get it back started. Yeah, we're parked right now. Yeah, every fucking light is on. And heating, air in the tire, the brake barely working right now. I don't fucking know, bro. As y'all boys can see, we're down right now. We are down right now. My boy bike is squeaking. Y'all hear it started, but every freaking light is on. But just to show y'all how SBeeZy looking, S1K cleaned it up, looks good. But my boy with the 600, 636, I mean, every light is on right now. So we have to bump start it. I'm not sure if you guys peeped that, but we're trying to get this situated. We may have to take the bike back to the crib. But yeah. All right, get up with y'all boys and when we figure this out. All right, boys, this was really not the video I was expecting today. Oh, man. So, the bike was still flashing all those lights, right? We just figured to just take it back to the house and because it still needs tires. I mean, air pressure. So when I just revved the bike like up to 6,000, just like a quick, now all of a sudden all the lights come off, and now it's idling properly. I'm still not going to risk it because how weak that battery is right now. Like that battery feels weak as fuck. So we just going to still make it back to the crib. Probably not going to meet up with Chicago United Riders, but it is what it is, man. I can't risk being stranded. Better yet, a cop pull up and ask us what we doing and question shit and this and that. Like, so we're about to roll out right now, back to the crib ski, and I'll figure out something else for y'all boys, man. Damn, bruh. Write it down and write it back. Gotta pee like a Russian racehorse. That motherfucker need tires. I mean, brakes, a battery. It went up. What happened? Oh, I thought you said everything popped back up again. I'm like, oh God, no. Look at the brothers. Look at the brothers. As y'all can see, we are not with the Chicago United Riders right now. Matter of fact, it's just a SBeeZy game right now, man. We run into the issue with the 636. I think it just has a very weak battery. It may need to get an updated tune from more Mafia, but regardless of that, it's running. But we taking it back to the crib because when I drove it, it felt like it needed brakes because the ABS light was flashing. We still need to put air in both of the tires, and I just don't want him on the highway and risking his life just to attend just a bike meet. I did call my other homie. He did say that it's shit ton of people over there at the Chicago United rides. First ride of the season on a 60-degree day on a Sunday. Yeah, you can only imagine how many people are over there right now. But we gonna keep it moving and grooving. It's all good because at the end of the day, I still got the chance to ride my bike, man. It's been a few months since we was able to take these things out. I might get loose on Steven. He can hear me. We finally got the Cardo set up. Hold on, Steven. Don't get left, nigga. I didn't want to shift because the cop was right there. I'm like, you know what, officer? It was just accelerating quick. I'm not going fast. I ain't gonna lie, Steven. He might bust a Yui, or he might call that motherfucker here. Ask Nick, man. When it comes to acceleration, before I changed the sprockets, I used to beat him and all the other homies on a stoplight to stoplight, just because it takes off so fast. But you back to a normal sprocket now, so the original speed and things like that. See, I be getting paranoid. What I need is a goddamn camera behind me so I can watch and see if it's police. Bro, I'd be so damn paranoid. Which was no cop. Man, I don't see him. He said, you know what? I don't got time for them biker boards today. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna let them slide. It still say keep straight. Yeah, we're gonna have to hit up Psychic Girl, get you a battery gang. Shit, I might need one of my damn self in RS34. So you ain't alone. I normally have it on them, but that battery low-key has been like when I used to start it, when I had it in my possession, it did used to like take a little bit to start. Not like where I had to like start it twice, but it wouldn't start like instantly like an S1K does. I'd beat your ass in 5th gear. It's funny because I have my earplugs in the garage and I have yet to use them. I just don't get the concept of them. Like, will I not be able to hear the road with earplugs and with my music? Like, I don't get it. Shot a flame. Told you, that motherfucker should have flamed at every goddamn crackle. It did it again? Alright, do me a favor. Hold in the clutch and rev it. Oh yeah. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. It didn't allow you to rev it all the way. What are you doing? Oh. Well, we made the right decision. Is it flashing or is it just a check engine light? Great. That's what I meant. So it's back to that bullshit again. Yeah. We gotta get you a battery, bro.